Hello, greetings, and welcome. I want to take a quick look at our third example from week 7. So this is from chapter 3 and 4. This specific example is from chapter 4 on integer programming. And we're not going to do anything new in this example. Well, we'll do something slightly new. We're going to revisit problem 1 from our week 4 problem set. So in problem 1 from our week 4 problem set, we were trying to determine the amount of each types of scrap material I needed in order to make some alloy blend. And when we solved it, so when we set up our linear programming problem then solved, we ended up finding that we needed 333.33 tons of A and 666.67 tons of B. So all I want to do here in part A, or all I want to take a look at is first we're going to, I've copied over my spreadsheet from that problem. We're going to solve it using our traditional linear programming setup, and then I just want to resolve it, but adding our requirement that our variables must be integers. So I'm just going to resolve in the context of chapter 4. The goal of this isn't necessarily to set up the problem here, but it's just for you to get comfortable working with Solver and how you need to change the settings of Solver to work with integer programming problems. Okay. So I've copied over the Excel sheet and I have it open, or spreadsheet. Here I'm going to use LibreOffice Calc. We'll set up another one in Excel and show you how it changes there. But I have Solver all set up, so this is my linear programming problem. So I'm going to minimize my total cost. I have all my constraints set up from the problem. And then under options, I just have my non-negativity constraint checked. Okay. And so when I solve that, we get our solution that we had in our problem set. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my sheet. Okay, I'll call this part 2. Okay. Now if I want to apply this constraint that all of my variables need to be integers, all that I need to change is under options. On LibreOffice Calc, I have this top checkbox, assume variables as integer. So when I solve now, I'll find that I have 334 tons of A and 666 tons of B. Okay, so that's it. So in LibreOffice Calc, to solve our integer programming problems, all we need to do is make sure, in addition to non-negativity, we have checked this box to assume variables as integer. Okay, and that's all it takes. With that, you'll be solving integer programming problems in LibreOffice Calc like it's nothing. Okay, we'll have a separate screencast. We'll do the exact same thing in Excel to see how the options change there. Hope that helps.